Hello folks, you've got the Black Country Explorer. Hope all is well. We're going to take a look down the old Heath Town railway line. Here's a satellite view. If you just type in Heath Town, Inkerman Street. Here's one of the 1901 Ordnance Survey maps. And basically we're going to start here, and the bridge that you can see in the distance is what used to be Alma Street, and then the rails that run to the right are part of the loop line, and you can see some of the old sleepers there which took the line onto where we're going to follow today, being the old Heath Town Railway. And we're going to follow the line and we're going to work our way up to the station and all the way to the old abutments. So we'll move over onto the line we want to follow and do a little bit of history. On the 29th of June 1865, Wolverhampton and Walsall Railway authorised Heath Town Railway Station on the 8-mile stretch of the east side of Wolverhampton. It took 7 years to complete and was opened on the 1st of November 1872. All the major rail companies wanted to get their hands on the rights to the line. It ended up in the end being worked by London and North Western and the Midlands Railways. Heath Town Station was sited at the far east end of Grove Street. It served the developing area well, with Bowman's Harbour Colliery being a stone's throw away. It was a double track railway which led into 2 platforms. Access to the station was via sloping paths that connected the Walsall bound platform to Grove Street and Dean's Road. The booking office, a tiny single-storey rendered brick building, pointed in the Walsall direction, with a small barrow crossing linking the 2 platforms, and there was a waiting shelter on the Wolverhampton platform. We're about halfway down now, trying to get in as much as I can, all the points etc, whatever's possible. It's all well overgrown and it's all thorny and whatnot. May be interesting to some people. 25 years ago it was a lot clearer. When we was kids we used to bring our bikes down here. There's never no traffic on it at all whatsoever. There used to be some signals up and small little towers was up, bolted to little steel and concrete stanchions. There you go, for overgrown, straight through the middle of the tree. We'll work our way down now. Makes its way into a single track. It's interesting. The interesting thing at the bottom end of here is Bowman's Harbour Colliery for those into the old mining. And we'll do ourselves a video on the site coming up soon. There is stuff left on there, not much, but there is definitely stuff left. Yeah, soon when it comes to a little dead end as we hit the bridge on Grove Street. I'll crack on with a little bit more history of the line. I hope somebody watching has got a bit more information on, or I could identify like the rails a bit better. Shortly I've got some pictures of the pins holding them down. Yeah, so it all changed in 1909 where the route changed. So the Wolverhampton and Walsall lines switched to the LNWR route, Meaning there was no stop in Heath town now. So most trains then run along the LNWR. And basically they run along that line there because it was to avoid the reversal in Warsaw, because the other line was a giant loop basically. And the platforms were soon destroyed because Heath town was so close to Wolverhampton. The trains had no chance really of competing with the local tram system, which was already in place. The trams are very popular. I've got a few pictures here of the pins, whether they mean anything or not, comment. Railway lines are not nowhere near my best subject. Yeah, coming up to the bridge, so let's have a look around. As you can see, it's fenced off here. We'll make our way down, and this is the bridge in Grove Street. And we're not far from the station now, or what's left of the station. And here's the original entrance to the station, and also what was originally the Star Ironworks. Lovely bit of ironwork at the top there, nice riveted steel and iron. Nice bit of kit, obviously designed to last. They'll outlive anything else that's on there. So what we'll do is we'll take a little walk down, and we'll go actually onto the old site, which is just behind the railings here. And we'll have a look what's left. Not much, as you can tell. Some of the butchers. Just going onto the site now of the old station, just off the Essington and Worley Canal, directly off the towpath. There's nothing really left of the site. Foot traffic stopped in 1910, and then the station itself in the 1960s was just basically left to just rot. You see the sleeper embankment just off the side of Grove Street on the east end. Nothing else at all on the site. An old concrete stop for any vehicles trying to get on. Some old electric brick houses. Old armoured cable there. Surprised that hasn't gone. And yeah, that's about it really of the site. So we're going to leave the station now, work our way down to the last bits of the line, down to the abutments. This is a picture of the old station here, a picture of what was left of when I was a kid. So this is a view of Dean's Road. Obviously there would have been a bridge coming the other way, down along that line, and then the other bridge spanning over there. And we'll have a walk down, have a look around, see what's left of them. You can see there they've put a stainless steel fake bridge up there because they were saying that it looked an eyesore. It kind of makes sense just to leave the original bridge. And some lovely brickwork here. And, if we can get down the side, we'll have a walk up, see what views that we have from the top of there. We have another railway line running underneath us, which is the tunnel. Do another video of it one point. Have a quick walk up the side, get our last views of what would have been Heath Town Station. Behind us we've got Bowman's Harbour Colliery. And a view off the abutment. You can see what direction that would have gone in. Still solid as a rock. And then it passes over to the Dean's Road side of you. Show you a bit of the brickwork here and the nice drop we got. This is the end of the video, folks. Cheers for watching again. Hit that notification bell, like and subscribe. Some more videos, mixed stuff, railways, World War II. Take it easy, folks. This is where we ended up, satellite image. And this is an OS map, a 1902 second edition. Ta-ra.